Quantum AI is unlocking a new era of robotics. These machines don't just mimic humans. They learn, adapt, and evolve at the speed of light. Welcome to the future of robotics, where quantum AI is creating machines that can think, learn, and make intelligent decisions.
Welcome to the future of robotics, where quantum AI is creating machines that can think, learn, and make intelligent decisions.
By combining quantum computing and artificial intelligence, robots are becoming more powerful than ever before.
Quantum AI
Intelligent
helps robots
decision-making
make critical
allows robots
decisions
to evaluate countless
during emergencies
possibilities
and disaster
select
response
the best
missions.
action instantly.
Future robots will process massive amounts of information in real time.
Swarm robotics enables large groups of robots to work together, like ants or bees. Robot swarms can monitor crops, detect diseases, and improve agricultural productivity. Swarm systems can cover vast areas more efficiently than individual robots. Future swarms may explore oceans, forests, and even distant planets.
Collaborative robots can understand human intentions and respond accordingly. Quantum AI improves communication, and coordination between humans and machines. Autonomous navigation allows robots to move independently without human control.
Advanced sensors and quantum AI help robots understand their surroundings.
Navigation systems optimize routes and improve operational efficiency.
Future autonomous robots may explore the Moon, Mars, and beyond.
Industrial robots are revolutionizing manufacturing and production. Quantum AI improves productivity, quality control, and manufacturing efficiency. Smart robots can identify microscopic defects invisible to the human eye.
Future factories may operate almost entirely through intelligent automation.
Medical robots are transforming healthcare worldwide. Service
Robotic
robots
surgery
assist
offers
healthcare
greater
professionals.
precision
Hello, I have your medication.
and
improve
faster patient
care.
recovery.
Thank you so much, robot. Rehabilitation robots support recovery and restore mobility.
You are doing fantastic!
Quantum AI enhances diagnosis and treatment planning. Future nanorobots may deliver drugs directly to diseased cells.
Quantum AI could enable highly precise cancer therapies.
Connected robotic systems could solve challenges beyond human capability.
Quantum AI and robotics are shaping a future where intelligent machines help build a safer, healthier, and more advanced world.